Today, I'm going to show you how to change the theme and icons in GIMP step by step so you can customize the interface and make it look exactly the way you want. Whether you prefer a dark workspace, a lighter layout, or larger icons that are easier to see, this quick tutorial will help you do it in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open GIMP on your computer. Once the program is open, go to the top menu bar and click Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. If you're using a Mac, the steps are slightly different. Instead of Edit, click GIMP in the menu bar, then choose Preferences from there. When the Preferences window opens, look at the left sidebar. This is where all of GIMP's main settings are organized. Find the section called Interface and click it to expand the options inside. Under Interface, you'll see the settings you need for both the theme and the icons. To change the overall theme, click on Theme. This controls the look and feel of GIMP's interface. You'll see several theme options available, such as Dark, Gray, Light, or System. Take a moment to choose the one that best fits your workflow. If you work in low light, dark might be easier on your eyes. If you want a cleaner and brighter look, light may be a better choice. If you want GIMP to match your operating system, you can choose System. As soon as you select a theme, GIMP will preview the change right away, so you can see how it looks before saving anything. That makes it easy to test a few different styles until you find one you like. Once you're happy with the theme, keep going to customize the icons. Still in the Interface section on the left sidebar, click on Icon Theme. This is where you can choose the style of icons GIMP uses throughout the program. Depending on your version of GIMP, you may see a few different icon styles or visual options. Pick the one that looks best to you and matches the overall theme you selected. Next, if you want the icons to be easier to see, check the box that says Override Icon Sizes Set by the Theme. This is the important setting that lets you manually control the icon size instead of using the default size. Once that box is enabled, you'll notice a slider appear below it. Use that slider to adjust the icon size to your preference. You can move it towards small if you want more space on screen, or towards huge if you want bigger, more visible icons. This is especially useful if you're working on a high-resolution monitor, or if you just prefer a more comfortable layout. Make sure to choose a size that feels easy to use and doesn't clutter your workspace. After you've selected the theme and adjusted the icons, don't forget the final step. Click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window to save your changes and apply the new layout. GIMP may update the interface immediately, and you should now see your chosen theme and icon style reflected across the program. And that's it. You've just learned how to change the theme and icons in GIMP. This is a simple way to make the software feel more personal, more comfortable, and easier to navigate while you edit. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful GIMP and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.